In this video, you're going to be learning about solderless breadboards. Solderless breadboards are used to prototype your circuit. Before you start thinking of making a permanent circuit, you need to test it temporarily. And the way to do that is using a breadboard, because a breadboard allows you to assemble components together and connect everything up and make it work even without soldering the components. So we're going to be looking at the internal structure of the breadboard and possibly how it works, and of course we're also going to learn how to use it in real life. This is the internal structure of a solderless breadboard. What happens in there is you have parallel conductors, like metal plates running sideways and some running up and down. If you have this picture in mind, when I'm explaining the solderless breadboard in real life, it will make it easier for you to understand. Just know that there are metal every hole, because it's all you deal with in a solderless breadboard is a bunch of holes. Now each of those holes you are seeing, beneath those holes, beneath that hole or under the holes, you have metal strips that allow those holes to be connected or disconnected depending on the arrangement of the metal strip. For example, any hole on top of this metal strip, every hole along this metal strip, there might be up to 5 holes along the metal strip, they will all be connected. But holes on this metal strip cannot be connected to holes on this metal strip, because they are different, they are not connected at all. So on this side, the holes are arranged from top to bottom, and there's also a metal strip under them. But the holes that are going from here to this point are okay, they are also connected to the holes from here. But in the real life breadboard, I will show you the holes at a particular point. There is no longer any connection between the holes, even on the vertical side. So I'll be showing you that so that you can see. But just have this picture in mind. This picture will be very helpful for you to understand the internal structure of the breadboard. So we're going to be looking at a basic circuit demonstration using the breadboard, and of course we'll be using our LED circuit as the subject circuit. This is the LED circuit, and we're going to learn how to build circuits from schematic and also apply it to the breadboard as well, and then we'll see the results. The truth is, many people that are new to electronics have a very common problem, and the problem is they see circuits online, they see circuits in books, they see circuits everywhere, but they have no idea on how to actually realize that circuit in real life, how to go from a circuit on paper to an arrangement of components physically that you can touch, that is working. So there's this problem in bringing circuits to life, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to go from a circuit schematic that somebody has drawn before for you, or something you met online. You're going to learn how to go from there to real life, how to actually build the physical equivalent of that circuit in real life and get it working, because that's the most important thing. If it doesn't work, then you're lost. So all right, so I'm excited to teach you all that, and I hope you're as excited as I am to learn. See you in the next video.